Good morning, everyone. I have just read a story on the internet and I'm going to tell you about it. And I'm sure you must have heard about this story somewhere. Somebody might have told you about it when you were a child. So, the story is about a thirsty crow. So, it was a really hot day, and on that day, the crow was flying all over the field and he was looking for water because he was really thirsty. And after searching for so long, he could not find any water. He thought that he might die because of the thirst, but he continued searching for the water. And after searching for some more time, he saw there was a clay pot situated below a tree. He thought that there might be some water inside that pot, so he flew straight down to that pot to check if there was any water inside it. Yes, he could see there was some water inside it, so he tried to push his head into that pot to drink the water, but the neck of that pot was too narrow. He could not reach to the level of the water. Now he tried to push the jug to tilt so the water can flow out, but that pot was too heavy for him. He could not do that either. Now he got really anxious, really concerned about how he's going to drink that water, because now this is the matter of life and death for him now. If he did not drink that water, he will die. So he looked all around that place to check if there was anything nearby so that he could use to drink that water, but he could not find anything. There was just some pebbles scattered all around that place. Now he got an idea. He picked up those pebbles one by one and put them into that pot. As more and more pebbles filled the pot, the water level kept rising. Soon it was high enough for the crow to drink that water, and he drank that happily. He quenched his thirst. So he quenched that thirst, and after that he fly from there happily. So there is a lesson in this story that we should learn. Whenever we are in a difficult situation, we should not lose our hope. Instead, what we can do, we can try hard, we can think hard, and I am sure if we will try our best, we will be able to overcome any situation. Okay, thank you.